Hello, trading is closed on the 21st of November 2023. We'll start with our disclaimer as our wont. We'll go over our calls and make some predictions. It's my trading plan for the 22nd of November 2023. Please remember I can be wrong. Trade at your own risk. Yesterday was a big rally day. MEJT didn't believe it. Gave us targets 45, 41, 49 and 45, 29, 15. Both targets printed, and these aren't only targets, they're also support levels and resistance levels, and that worked. This is the pattern with the early low, and tomorrow's pattern should have the early high, which doesn't tell us where we open. MEJT said this move is false. Price would retrace. It certainly did. We got a sell signal, but we printed a minimum target immediately without going too much into it. Nothing requires this low to fall, but in my experience, it will fall tomorrow a high percentage of the time. So you can call it an optional target you want. I just don't have statistics to back it up. Well, this is one of Larry Williams' chart patterns here. He's a very well-known, experienced trader. We have a straight line move up, followed by an inside day. We didn't get confirmation of this break over the range because we never traded over yesterday's close. His rule says we drop tomorrow because we have this no follow-through pattern. We have this strong rally inside day. We should see lower prices, which goes along with my feeling we're going to undercut that low that I showed earlier. Let's sum this up. Wednesday's pattern has a early high, which doesn't tell us where we open. Today also has a late low, and lately the late low has been higher than the early high, which is not the way this pattern normally works, but that's just what's happened in this point in the cycle very often. Yesterday's straight line advance was followed by an inside day today. One of Larry Williams' rules is this leads to lower prices tomorrow. I have nothing required by the MEJT system as today's targets all were met. However, I think there's a good chance we're going to see at least 45.32.89 on the downside, as that low at 45.32.90 rarely holds in my experience. Because of the approaching holiday, there's the increased chance for a narrow trading range, although I certainly can't say that's required. Normally the day before Thanksgiving used to be an up day, and the day after Thanksgiving used to be up, then it was down, and the last few years that just hasn't been reliable enough to base any trades on. But this is a negative pattern. I'm looking for lower prices, and that's today's call.